Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix that the file is not supported issue in Google Drive. So for this, for example, in this doc file, if you would like to click on file, then if you click on open, then if you click on the upload option from the left hand side, then if you click on browse and wait for a couple of seconds, then here if you would like to upload a PDF file, then it will most likely to show a error message. So for example, I would like to go to downloads and take one PDF file. Let's say I would like to upload this one. Then if you click on it, here you can see that the error message is showing. So to make it solved, then what you can do is go to the drive, then you have to click on the new option, then you have to click on the file upload, and then you have to go to the download option again. Then here you have to search for the PDF file that you would like to upload. So for example, I would like to open that PDF file here, and here you can see that we are uploading the PDF file, and here you can see the PDF file is already here. So what you can do is just simply click on three dot, then if you click on open with, then if you click on Google Docs and wait for a couple of seconds, it will, and then you can see that the format will literally transfer to the Google Doc file from the PDF file, and you can easily use that. So here you can see that the PDF file is already transferred into the doc file and the problem is already solved. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.